back to my channel. I hope all of you are having an absolutely amazing day. Yay, it is Friday. So I am going to be actually doing a couple videos today and going to go ahead and post them because I do have family in town for the weekend from Florida. So I do plan tomorrow to be spending the day with them. So I will not be doing any recording of videos or posting tomorrow. So I figured I'd go ahead. I've got 3 to do today. I've already done 1 and I'm going to do these other 2, and your guy, sorry to bombard you with videos, but I wanted to go ahead and get them posted. And like I said, I will not be posting tomorrow because I will be spending time with family. So thank you for being here. I am so glad you have decided to come and watch my video. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. Sorry, my dog is in here with me. So today we are doing, and yes, I am late, the Target Beauty Box for October. This is, I already did their regular beauty box for October. They had 2 this month. This one is it's like an all about eyes box. And since I had received the Macy's beauty box this month, which was also all about eyes, I decided to pass on this. Well, then I noticed they were still available and they had actually reduced the price to $5 rather than $7. So I was like, you know what? Yes, we're gonna go ahead and do it. We're gonna do the eye beauty box and see what it's all about. So this is what we're doing today. So obviously you see it is gorgeous. Has eyes all over it. The colors, love them, fall. I almost match my nails. So let's take a look and see what is in here. This is what it looks like when you open it. And it says, hello, bright eyes. Feeling tired? What a drag. Looking at 2? Ditto. Luckily, a few hero products are all it takes to make you look beautifully bright and doe-eyed without even having to hit snooze. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll make your peepers pop like never before. And as always, the $3 off a $15 beauty purchase. So, and again, the pretty color. Tissue paper. And when we open it, this is what we see. So we're just gonna start looking. The first one I'm pulling up is the CoverGirl. It is Get It In Line Liquid Liner, and it says it has a feather fine tip. This is apparently a new product, and it is in Major Matte Black. So that's interesting. I kind of want to open it and see, because it makes me think it's not a regular felt tip. So this is, I love this packaging. When we pull it out, this is, okay, it is a felt tip, but it's just really fine. Oh, you can definitely get a big wing with that. I did a little bit big. I didn't just do a line because it says it dries down matte, so I want to see. You can see it's still kind of wet, so I want to see when it dries down what it's like. So there's one product. Next we have, and I have seen commercials for this, so I actually really do want to try this. This is from Bausch & Lomb. This is the Lumify eye drops. It says works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours, and it's a redness reliever, and it also is a new product. And in the commercial, it is geared more towards women, I believe. So there is the box. And then here we have the little eye drops. So I'm definitely excited to try that. Oh, the eyeliner has already dried down and it is completely matte. And I'm rubbing it. No smudging. So that's awesome. Okay, and then next we have from Maybelline the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara in Very Black. And I've actually used this mascara before, and I really, really do like it for a drugstore type mascara. I love the wand here. So that is great. It's the perfect size for travel when you don't want to pack the whole big old thing. Next we have, oh, okay. I like this. And I don't know if I say this name correctly. It's Sonia Kushak. But it is a Essential Collection brow line and fill brush with spoolie. So let's take this off and see. And what's crazy is, what I really like about the Target Beauty Box is on the actual website where you order the boxes, and you do see what's in them before you get them. But it also will, under it, have the full-size products that you can order. And this brush is $8. So even at the full regular price of $7 for this box, the brush more than pays for it. So to get the box for $5, that's even better. And I, definitely the CoverGirl, the eyeliner, that's full size. So, okay, trying to get all of this off. And of course they have like a safety seal on each end. And I just got my nails done a few days ago, so they're definitely shorter than they were before. Goodness gracious. Okay. Now, one thing I can already tell that I am going to really like about this, especially for travel. So here is the brush, and you see the spoolie and the actual brush end, but it has these little covers, which is great. So this is the brow. It says brow fill. And then this is the spoolie. And it's really cute, the gold. But I really like the caps for, like I said, for travel, or, I mean, even just every day. Keep them clean. So that's awesome. And we have one more product in here. And this is from Acure. It says, welcome to skin wellness. Radically rejuvenating under eye hydrogels. Cucumber and silk tree. It says age performance. It's 100% vegan, paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, silicone free, cruelty free, petrolatum free. I don't know if I said that correctly. And it is one set. So that's awesome. It says intense, soothing under eye elixir hydrogels to help rejuvenate with cucumber and Persian silk tree. Keep in the fridge for a cooling boost and say hello to deep hydration. All right. So that was the Target eye box for October 2018. Like I said, they had 2 boxes this month. They had their regular beauty box, which I already did a video on, and they did this eye box. So this was really great. I actually am very happy. I would have actually been happy even if I had ordered it with the at the $7. But I was surprised that it was still available, and then like I said, they reduced the price to $5, so I couldn't pass it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you get the Target beauty boxes. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you all have a fabulous Friday, and I will talk with you guys soon in the next video. Bye.